Hello and welcome to this video tutorial brought to you by W3 Academy. In this video, I will talk about some other tips of Instagram. That is, if you want to delete your post from Instagram, then Instagram doesn't allow you to delete your post directly from your PC. So if you want to delete your post directly from your PC, then you need to follow along with this tutorial and you will learn the trick. And if you want to post on Instagram from your PC, then go to my other tutorial how to post on Instagram from your PC. To do so, this is a very simple trick, and what you have to do is go to, let me open my Instagram first. Okay, I have already opened it, and I want to delete this post from my Instagram. Okay, so you can see that I don't have any option to delete this post here. So what I have to do is right click here and this one, inspect, click on the inspect button, and after that here click on the toggle device. Okay, so now you can see that I have some other options here, and what I have to do is click here and select any of these. Responsive is selected, and what you have to do is to select any of this. So I will select Galaxy S5, and after that I will refresh my web page. So I will have an option or to delete my post. So you can see that, let this page refreshed, and okay, now I want to delete this post and click on this. Okay, now you can see that I want to delete this post, and I have the options here. So I will click on three dots just right on of my name. So click on this, and you can see that the delete option is here. So I will click on delete, and that's it. So okay, it's now deleting my post from the Instagram. You can see that the post has been deleted from my Instagram. By this simple trick, you can delete your post from Instagram from your PC. So that's all for this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss any updates. Thank you for watching.